What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video, another photo. This is today's photo. And let's get on into it. Alright. And some texture and some clarity. Right. Some color. Alright. Get rid of a couple of things. What up, everybody? We are here to talk about today this application. This is a affiliate sponsored section. They reached out, asked us to do this and see what we thought and give our honest opinion on it. I like it. So I've been using Suno for a long time, and I am now going to be changing over to Music Creator AI. And that is because they have a litany of things that you can do here. So many. More than I can even fit in this ad section. Okay? Lots of stuff that they want. They got all kinds of stuff, and pricing is fantastic. Their pricing is fantastic. So go and check them out. Use our link in the description. Help us out. Help yourself out. Get yourself a set up with Music Generator AI, Music Creator AI, and generate you some music. Understand? All right. So, let's try out a few of their features, shall we? First, let's go through, and I'm a photographer, so this is a cool one for me. You can turn one of your photos into music, right? So I've been doing a 365-day challenge over on my other channel, Lazy Photographer, and you can do some cool stuff. So let's try this Zoa drink. You can add any kind of details that you want. You can get inspired. It'll give you some stuff. We're going to put Zoa G drink. We can make an instrumental. We can do all kinds of stuff. We're going to keep it in language English for now. Boom. Spits us out some lyrics. It's going to start generating some styles. You can optimize. You can do all kinds of stuff. Okay. I'm liking what we got here. The rush. All right. We're going to hit generate. Now we got music being made. So just a little sample of some of the stuff that I've already made. Little sample of what we've already made. All right, thank you, Claude. I appreciate you doing your thing in the background. Anyway, here we go.
Blue lightning in my hand, smoke swirls around, take a stand, crack the can, it hisses loud, a jolt of power, head in the clouds.
Boom. And it makes 2 each time for you, so you got something to play with. Alright. Let's go through some of these other features. You got lyric generator. You have AI sing voice, so you can remix songs with your own voice. It'll make music with it. Song cover generator, so you can make your covers. AI music video creator. You can do visualizations, music videos, all kinds of stuff. This is coming soon. That'll be cool. Story music video, music visualizer. Give this a little shout out. Use this as a template. Boom. Boom. Gives you a breakdown of the whole timeline. We're going to select from my music. We're going to select from here. Oh, it's still loading. So we're going to go with one of these. Confirm. Save. Analyzing thine audio. Okay. Simple as that. Easy audio visualizer. Beautiful. Nice. Boom. So that will be helpful for all you rap cats out there. AI voice remover. This is huge. AI stem splitter. Massive thing here. So you choose from my music. Go. I want this guy. Confirm. Separating the stems. Now I can get the stems of all of that broken out for me. That's not hard. Like, when I did audio engineering 15 years ago, you could not do this. This is, I mean, you would have to have tens of thousands of dollars worth of equipment to even get close. So this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. View stems. Here are stems right here. Okay, so download all of those into one. Takes a little second. WAV files are a little bigger than the other files. Bada boom. Stick those in the folder. Close that. You got your BPM. You can sit there and tap out, kind of get the feel that you want. Master your music up. MIDI editor. AI audio to MIDI. Many more tools. So many tools. It's a thick app. You know what I'm saying? Thick with it. And they're nice people. Good communication. Make sure you go and check out Music Creator AI and use our link down in the description. Get yourself some music. Alright, we'll see you back in the episode. Bye-bye. Not too bad. Hey. Alright. Looking pretty good. Now we're gonna mask. The mask, we are going to select object. Okay. That'll do for now. Schmeckles. Okay. Back to Minsk. Alright. Okay. That's gonna do it for today. Thank y'all for watching. See you tomorrow for the next. Bye bye.